I'm at Macquarie University and it's lift to a time. First to the Deve Schindler hydraulic lift in one of the buildings on Wally's Walk. This is a lift at Macquarie Uni for Wally's Walk. It's a Schindler hydro. Maintain a Liftronic. Kinda slow. Back to 0. That's a warning. Do not roll in little liquids, cryogenic liquids. That's about it. And now here we come to an old 90s Otis lift with a segment indicator. This one has US 90 Dewhurst. Liftronic. It's originally a Johns Waygood. I had to be quiet because there are classes going on. I believe it was made by Otis. The indicator looks unhealthy. That voice sounds like a strange Thames Valley voice. Very slow. And now into the Mitchell building, these are some Kleemann lifts. Yes, seriously, these are Kleemann. These also have US 95 Dewhurst. Go to 8.
Doors closing.
of Dewhurst. That's rare.
Eighth floor. Doors opening. Doors closing.
Fan button. Big indicator. That indicator. Button went out.
Ground floor rear. Doors opening.
And now into Muse, which is the old library. These are some modernised Johns Waygood lifts. In fact, these are modded by Liftronic. Empty lift. The wet floor on here. Looks like it's modded by Liftronic. Let's go to 5. Used to be a Johns Waygood lift. That was modded by Liftronic. Sounds a bit slow. No, we'll go back to 2. It's the ground.
Level 5. Going down.
This 18 Wally's walk, the Muse building. So I'd like to get on. No, it does the other lift. Here are 2. Button went out. That's it. And now to a Schindler MRL in W24A. Schindler. Let's go to 3. Schindler Muzak. Very quick. W24A building.
Level 1.
Unprecedented voice. Schindler. And now to another 90s Otis Hydro with segment indicator and US 90 Dewhurst. And also using Salient button. There's a fire alarm. Sounds horrid and small. But this must be originally Johns Waygood. Oh man, that sounds a bit promising. Cool music. Button's gone out. And now to the awesome high-rise Johns Waygood lift. These are modernised by Otis though. Still has the original Johns Waygood plate. This is a traction. Sort of faster than the other lifts. Here at 9. Back to 3. Unfortunately, door close doesn't work. Maintained by Liftronic, modernised by Otis in the 90s. Button went out. And now to a late 90s Otis Hydro. These have been modded by Liftronic with new fixtures. No. An Otis. Scrolls horizontally. This indicator. Epic scrolling. This was an Otis. It's more like Liftronic, partially. Oh, shit. That was a bad leveling. Very small lift. Looks like it's generic. This cab. There's a key card reader. But went out. And finally to another old Johns Waygood Hydro lift. This has been modded by Otis with newer US 90 fixtures. Blah. Buttons replaced with US 95 Dewhurst. Another traction. Back to 2.
Level 4. Lift going down.
This voice sounds like Westfield Chatswood's lifts. Liftronic maintains its lift.
Level 2.